In this tutorial, let's have a really quick look at the different types of questions that we can create when we are building out our quiz. So the way that we do that is we go to Add New, click on that, and you'll see that we have a range of types of questions that we can choose. So if we go to Choice, click on that one first, we can see that we can build yes, no, multiple choice, one correct answer or multiple correct answer type questions, and there will be videos specifically on those moving forward. Next one along is text, and this allows us to create questions which ask our students to produce either a one-word answer or a very short statement or sentence. That would be our short answer type question. And then we can also ask them to create a longer type question, which gives them the option to respond with a maximum of 4,000 characters. And we'll look at how we do that as well in a different video. Ratings and date I wouldn't worry about in terms of creating questions. But if we click on the drop down arrow here, you can see it says more question type. So let's click on that, and you can see that we've got ranking and the Likert scale as well. Now usually Likert scale is used, as you can see on the right there, to gauge attitudes and opinions about a topic, and often it's used in a survey just to find out whether people are satisfied, very satisfied, unhappy, etc. But we can be quite clever with this, and we can build up some questions using the Likert scale as we can with the ranking as well. So those are our main types of questions. There is one other type of question which I'll tell you about in the audio in the next section.